Hello everyone, this is the audio player that I built a while back, and towards the left here we have the clock circuit, and it employs a 74LS14. This is a Schmidt trigger inverter, and together with the resistor, the potentiometer, and the capacitor, they are able to control the clock frequency, and that clock signal is fed to these two counters right here, and together in a cascaded form, they provide a 20-bit output. I don't actually use all 20 bits, but I'm able to get up to a 20-bit count. Now that is controlling the address that is being accessed on this flash chip. Here I have the WinBond, and if I can zoom in here a little bit closer, it's the W29C020, and this particular chip is programmed on a programmer, and so it's a programmer that needs to be attached to a computer, to a PC, run some software, and download the actual a bit file that contains all the information. And towards the output here, we have an 8-bit R2R ladder. And through this R2R ladder, we're able to convert the digital output, which is 8-bit of the flash chip, into an analog output that's being fed into an amplifier through this cord here and that amplifier right there. Now, this particular board does work on 5 volts because all of the chips employ a 5-volt type of supply, a 5-volt VCC. And so it does operate on 5-volt logic. And with that, I have a 9-volt battery that I'll be using, and that's being fed to 7805, and that's a voltage regulator that supplies me with 5 volts at the output. And then, of course, that will be played through my amplified speaker shown right here. So let me connect the battery now, and let me turn on the amplifier.
It was Labor Day weekend, I was 17. I bought a Coke and
now this is 8-bit sound, so it's not as good as what you're used to though.
When I saw her for the first time, she was standing there in the ticket line.
Now one of the things that we can do, I'm going to lower the volume though. One of the things that can be done is through the use of the potentiometer is to adjust the clock signal. So I'm able to adjust the frequency. So I can speed it up or slow it down. So let's take a look here what it does. So let me slow it down.
When I saw her for the first time, she was standing there in the ticket line. It all started right then and there.
Now let's go a bit further down. Well, let's speed it up now. All right, let's put it back where it's supposed to be.
It was Labor Day weekend, I was 17. I bought a Coke and some gasoline. I drove out to the county fair.
All right. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Thank you all.